Hi guys, welcome back again to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. In today's class, we're going to be discussing something very interesting, and I know most of us might have come across this, and that is algebra. I have a very straightforward and concise definition of algebra here on the board. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and numbers to solve equations and problem. Now, what are the key notes that we are taking away from this particular definition? It is use of letters and numbers. So next time when you see an expression that has both letters and numbers associated with it, you know we are discussing about algebra. Now, example of this algebraic expression, if you were to call it, is something of this sort. 2a. This is an algebraic expression. Why? Because you're having a number and you're having a letter. And this letter can also be called a variable. A variable. Why this number is what we call a constant. So, put in another form, an algebraic expression or algebra constitutes a constant and a variable, which is what? Changing according to the given expression that we are given to solve a particular problem. Now, for example, in terms of an equation, we can use algebraic expression to form an equation. If you have something of this sort, 5b plus 2 is equals to 10. This is an equation. And this equation is made up of what? Algebraic terms or expressions or constituents. What are the algebraic constituents? You are having a variable b and you're having constants here. Now, why does this look, or why is this an equation? It is an equation simply because there is an equality sign here. So this is an example of an algebraic expression in terms of what? An equation. So I hope and I believe that you now know what algebra is. By recap, I'm just going to state it again. That when we are talking about algebra, we are talking about a combination of letters and numbers to solve equations and problems in general. These problems can be word problems written in English language. Then you have to form these using algebraic terms. Now, before we end this particular session, I'd like you to do something for me real quick. In the comment section, I want you to form at least 5 algebraic expressions based on what you learned in today's class. I'll be waiting for you there. See ya.